Here are 12 essential items that you must bring on your next cruise.
And stick around to the end because we also have 2 bonus ones that you don't want to miss out on. All right, so item number 1, and be sure to check with the cruise that you're going to be cruising with because not every cruise line allows these bad boys anymore, but this is just basically a little power strip. Make sure that it does not have the, what is that?
Surge protector.
The surge protector. They will not allow that, and some boats, like I said, won't allow these even if it does not have the surge protector. But this will help you tremendously because some of those cabins do not have a lot of outlets.
That's true, especially if you got a cabin with 2, 3, or even 4 people.
Yeah, or if you're taking devices and you got to charge cameras and phones and all that good stuff as well.
All right, item number 2, earplugs.
That's for Mama.
Earplugs are great, especially if you're in a cabin that's right below a Lido deck or next to a rowdy bar or a nightclub.
Or even next to the anchor. We've had that one,
True.
so that's why I bought them.
Don't skip on the earplugs.
Yes, for sure. All right, item number 3 is going to be a first aid kit. Now, honestly, I don't think we've ever really busted this bad boy open, but I would definitely say I would rather have it and not need it than not have it and need it. So you got your Band-Aids, your bug bite ointments, all of that stuff in there, and you do not want to have to go buy this at the little vending machines or the shops on the cruise ship because they will charge you an arm and a leg. Definitely bring one of these if you got it.
All right, item number 4, a lanyard to carry your sail pass. Like I've got here, my old Carnival pass. We particularly like these ones with the extendable things. At certain ships, certain bars, they can just scan the barcode.
Sure. You might have to take it out at other spots.
And then they easily detach too.
Yes, we love those. Okay, so item number 5 is going to be waterproof pouches. And we have 2 different versions. We actually have this one, which is just for the phone. And we used it recently while going snorkeling in Aruba. No, excuse me. We were in Curacao, and this was so good. It actually got really good footage, protects your phone, and keeps it real close to you. The other version of the waterproof pouch is this bad boy, which is going to go around your waist, and you can throw several different items in there and make sure that you don't leave any valuables, like on the beach in an unknown port. That'll keep you safe and keep it with you.
I think both of those are pretty crucial. The waterproof phone case is nice to have so you're still able to take pictures and videos while you're on the beach or your hands are wet.
It still responds, yeah.
But then it's nice to be able to take your other valuables inside the fanny pack.
If you're carrying cash, anything like that.
So you don't have to leave it unattended on the beach.
Exactly.
All right. What number are we on?
6.
Item number 6, some sort of caffeine. We like Celsius.
Yes. Now, you're going to be like burning the candle at both ends on these boats, and sometimes you need a little extra oomph. You may have the drink package, which allows you to have the caffeinated drinks, but we like these because they're so easy. We can take them on the port, throw them in our pocket, add it to a bottle of water, and the flavors are fabulous, in my opinion.
True. And they're also sugar-free.
Ooh, yes, please.
Nice.
All right, so item number 7 is going to be electrolytes.
Critical.
So we get a little crunk on the boats. So we drink a little bit more than we probably should. And obviously it's great if you can drink the water, but this is going to add a little bit extra to making sure that you don't get dehydrated. You're not getting those super hangovers. We like the pouch ones, like the Celsius, a little guy that you can carry with you. But if you can opt for the big guy, these ones will always save you a little bit more money and make sure that you're feeling good and top energy throughout the whole cruise.
For sure. And it's not just for those drinking alcohol too. When you're on a cruise, you're spending a lot of time out in the sun.
Touche.
You're moving around a lot on these huge ships. So everyone could do with a little bonus hydration.
For sure. And you're not always going to find a Powerade or a Gatorade on the ships. We've been on a few where they don't offer it at all. So if you need a little extra other than water, you definitely want to make sure you come prepared for that.
Okay, item number 8.
Yes.
Bags.
Yeah, this might come as a surprise.
Ziplocks are great for just keeping stuff organized, whether it's cosmetics, sunblocks, stuff like this. They're also great when you're leaving the ship.
Yes.
Say on the last day, your last sea day, you went swimming, you hung your suit up, but it didn't fully dry. Now you can throw your suit into some Ziploc bags and it's not going to get everything else in your luggage wet.
Exactly. Actually, before you move on from the Ziploc bags, another thing that a lot of people don't think of is there are some food venues that are closed and you may want a snack later. So if you take one of these to your buffet, you can throw, some biscuits or cookies or something like that in the bag and have it in your room so that you have a quick, easy snack when you want it.
It'll stay fresh. And then the trash bag we actually use for all our dirty clothes.
Yes.
So we set it up under our bed, and then whenever we're done with the garment, we just place it right into the bag, and it's perfect because it doesn't contaminate the luggage. It's really hard to wash the luggage.
Yes, exactly. It'll keep that luggage fresh, and especially if you buy the smelly good bags, which we do, for sure. All right, item number 9.
Number 9.
Number 9, we've got hooks. Now, these are no in particular order because I would put this at the top of like a must-have for
It's so
a
nice for
cruise.
keeping the room organized.
These guys are magnetic, and as you may know, the walls in your cabin are also magnetic. So you can just hang these around. You can hang wetsuits on it, or your sweaters, or just organize your stuff as much as you want, and that'll keep you nice and organized and not so cluttery in your room. Definitely an essential.
For sure. And then item number 10, drugs.
Yes.
Not illicit drugs, not even
No
your
illicit.
prescriptions.
Don't
I think
try
everyone
that.
knows that if you're on prescriptions, you be sure to pack your prescriptions. Of
course.
If you take them during the day, be sure to put them in your carry-on bag
Of
because it
course.
could be late in the evening before
Yes.
you receive your luggage. We're talking about just your regular over-the-counter drugs. In particular, some sort of motion sickness medicine like Dramamine or some
Yes.
sort of ginger aid.
Yes, we've never really needed it, but one time that we didn't pack it, we could have used it. And
True.
then to buy it in the little vending machine or at the shops was outrageous. So just bring it. It's better to have it.
And then the other two ones that we have used is some sort of pain reliever.
Yes.
And then a critical one, especially with all the different cuisines you're going to be
Yes.
experiencing. Maybe your palate's
Juicy
not
drinks.
used to them.
Yes,
Some type
Heartburn.
of heartburn or acid reduction.
absolutely.
Supplement.
Yes,
Okay.
for sure. All right, so we're on number 11.
Number 11.
All right, number 11, again, a very much essential, could be at the top of the list, and it may go without saying, but you're going to be visiting ports with lots of sun and your body may not be used to it. Bring your sunblock. This is another thing. They will absolutely gouge price you if you try to buy it on the ship.
True.
Bring that sunblock.
And while that one seems so obvious, I can't tell you how many times I've been on a cruise and we've seen someone like early on in the sailing.
Day
just, like,
one, lobster face.
out. Yeah. And it just feels so
Don't be
bad
that
for
guy.
them. Severe burns.
And then the
can-
rest of your cruise is going to suck
yeah,
so bad. Yes.
for sure. All right, item number 12.
Woo woo.
Oh, water jug.
Yes.
Or some sort of canteen.
Canteen.
Something where you're easily able to take and fill up at the free water stations on board, especially if you don't have the drink package.
Especially if you do not
But
have
also
the drink
nice just for just keeping your liquids cool when you're getting off at a
Yeah.
port. You can take whatever drink you choose to fill it up with off
Exactly.
and
Be prepared.
Be prepared.
Yeah, have it ready. All right, we are in bonus round.
The bonus. And these ones aren't essentials.
They're not essential, but they make it so much fun. And I'm definitely seeing this becoming more trendy. But get you some ducks.
get some ducks.
It's like $10. You get these ducks. You got these tags that talk about what cruise ship you're on and all that stuff. You tie it to the duck and you hide it around the ship. It's like a game within the cruise.
For sure.
And people love it. You see somebody find a duck and it makes their day. They've
true.
now got this lovely little souvenir that they get to keep that tells them what boat they were on and where they found it. And it just brightens people's day. And I got to say, I actually have found that I enjoy hiding them more than finding them.
That's true.
It's true.
That's
for
true.
sure. All right, final
Dun, 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 dun.
bonus, just for fun.
Just for fun. Not essential, but glow sticks.
Yeah.
Also a very inexpensive thing that can just totally boost the fun when you're on a
For
ship.
sure.
A lot of cruises will have some sort of rock and glow party.
Yes, white parties
White
often
party
have the
often
glow.
have
Yeah.
the glow effects,
Yes.
or they'll have black lights out
Black
that make
lights,
these things
yeah.
look really cool. So it's just another something fun. We actually take these, we buy 100-pack, and then we take them to the parties and we pass them out to other
give them
guests.
out.
And it's
Another thing that just
just
makes their day.
yeah, brightens people's day.
Yeah, just
for sure.
fun. Definitely.
Definitely fun. All right, that was it. That was all 12
14
items plus two
Plus two
bonus
bonuses.
items.
Yes.
Let us know if there's any other things we
Did we
forgot
miss
that
it?
you bring on the cruise,
For sure.
and we'll see you in the next one.
All right.